Turn your car off. Where are your keys?
I didn't know you were following me. I'm trying to get out the way.
No, you weren't trying to get out of the way. You just continued driving.
I didn't know you were trying to pull me over. I was just trying to get out the way. My daughter doesn't have any more diapers, and I'm just trying to get home.
You weren't trying to get out of the way. You stayed in the same lane. Did you not see my lights and sirens?
I wasn't sure if you were trying to stop me or anybody else.
Did you see my lights and sirens?
I saw your lights and sirens,
Is there a
so
reason?
I moved out the way.
What are you supposed to do when you see lights and sirens?
Move out the way.
And what?
Just move out the way.
Pull
I
over.
wasn't sure if you were looking for me. What did I do?
You're speeding.
I was not speeding.
You were speeding.
No, I have my daughter in the car. I was not speeding.
You were 30 over the speed limit. You were at 75 when you passed me.
No, I was not.
License, registration, insurance.
I was not.
License, registration, insurance.
I'm sorry. I was not.
For the third time, license and registration.
No, I would like to speak to a supervisor. And I would like to record this.
You're more than welcome to.
My husband was literally right in back of me, and I was not speeding.
You passed me. He was speeding too.
He was not speeding.
For the fourth time, I need your license or registration, or I'm going to take you to jail.
You're going to take me to jail?
I'm going to take you to jail if you don't give me your license.
I have my daughter in the car. You're really going to do that?
I'm going to take you to jail if you don't identify yourself.
You're going to literally take me to jail with my 2-year-old in the car?
I've asked you 4 times for your license. I'm going to take you to jail.
And you're going to give me a speeding ticket when I was not speeding?
I'm going to take you to jail.
I was literally doing 40.
Are you going to give me your driver's license?
No, I'm not.
All right, step out of the car.
No, I'm not.
Step out of the car.
No, I'm not.
Step out of the car.
No. You can get a supervisor.
Step out of the car.
No, I am not going to step out the car because my 2-year-old is in the car.
Step out of the car.
I am not stepping out the car because my 2-year-old is in the car. No.
50 on the road.
Out of the car.
No.
Step out of the car.
I was not speeding. I was doing 40. He wants to arrest me. He wants to arrest me with in the car, and I'm not getting out the car until a supervisor is present.
Out of the car.
No.
You are under arrest.
I am not under arrest.
Step out of the car.
I have my 2-year-old in the car. You want to arrest me saying that I was speeding and I was not speeding. You had the lights on. I moved out the way.
No, you didn't.
Yes, the I did.
You drove.
Yes, the I did.
You need to pull over.
No, you did not say pull over. I did not hear anything about ma'am or whoever pull over.
Several times.
No.
Now get out of the car.
No.
Thick skin and thick head is the worst ever combination in a person.
I want your supervisor.
You are under arrest.
I'm not under arrest. I'm a teacher.
Out of the car.
No, I'm not getting out the car because my 2-year-old is in the car.
Get out of the car.
No. Get your supervisor.
I'm going to yank you out
Get
of the
your
car.
supervisor.
I'm going to yank you out
Get
of the
your
car.
supervisor. You're not going to touch me. Get your supervisor. Why? Because I'm black?
Get out of the car.
Why? Because I'm a different color? No, you're not going to touch me. You're not going to touch me. I have my 2-year-old in the car. What the hell is your problem? No, what the hell is his problem?
Ma'am, get out of the car.
Can I explain something?
Out of the car.
Out of the car. You're under arrest.
No, do not touch me. I have
Ma'am, you're going to get tased. You're going to get tased. Stop.
Out of the car.
Listen,
you're going to get tased.
You're not going to tased.
You're going to get tased. You're going to get tased. You're going to get tased. Get out of the car. You're going to get tased. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're going to get tased. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I have my 2-year-old in the car. Are you kidding me?
Stop.
No. What the hell? Are you arresting me for what?
Stop.
No. Are you the supervisor?
Yes, you're going to jail for resisting. Stop.
I'm not resisting.
Stop. You're doing it right now. Stop.
I have my
I don't care. We will take care. We will take care of them.
No,
But you're not helping the situation.
No, you won't.
You're not taking care of your own child by doing this. Okay?
Okay.
Relax your arms, and we will get you handcuffed, and then we will talk.
I am trying to explain to him.
If you would have just let us get you under handcuffs,
No,
then we could have done that.
If you would listen, can you listen to me?
Well, you need to relax first. You just drove more than a mile away from where you originally let
He
you
did not
up.
tell me to pull over.
So the emergency lights and siren?
He
Okay, the emergency lights and siren. That is telling you to pull over, correct?
He did not tell me to pull over. I moved out the way. As an emergency vehicle. Please let go of me.
You're walking away.
I'm talking to him.
Keep talking to him then. Right. You're walking away.
So you're arresting me because of what?
Ma'am, let's go to the front of the car.
Are you?
Okay?
I'm sorry.
Wiser, we gotta...
Are you the supervisor?
No, ma'am. That's him right here. I'm trying to talk to you. Just...
Can you please tell the other men to get off of me? I am perfectly fine. Can you please get off of me before my mental health gets worse than what it is? I am telling you nicely. My 2-year-old is in the car. You did not tell me to pull over.
That's what the lights and sirens mean.
I did not know that. What I assume...
So right now you're being placed under arrest for resisting and battery on a law enforcement officer.
Battery?
Yeah, you punched me several times.
I did not punch you. No, I did not. No, I did not.
She keeps repeating her innocence like a broken record, as if she didn't just punch an officer in the face.
He did not say...
Real quick, I'm going to read you this before you say anything
No,
else, okay?
he did not.
You have the right to
I
remain silent.
have my bachelor's in criminal justice. I know what the my rights are.
Anything.
Can I get the baby, please?
I need you to get your car out of the road first.
Okay, but can I get the baby?
Get your car out of the road first. Stay back. Stay back.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
We're trying to help you
You're
out and make it
hurting
more
me.
comfortable. Now stop.
No, you're hurting me. You're hurting me. I'm just trying to turn around and talk to the supervisor.
We will want to relax and get the
So I
handcuffs
need
on you
3 cops to stop me? Is this crazy? I have my 2-year-old in the car.
Okay.
What are you going to do with my daughter?
Who are you, sir?
I'm for the family.
Okay.
Yeah,
Who's that?
that's my wife.
Okay. We're gonna put her right now. But family.
No!
We have to figure something
No! I'm trying to get home because she has no more diapers.
Well, she's under arrest right now, unfortunately. For battery on law enforcement officer, resisting, and all that
Do
stuff.
you have proof for that?
Yep.
What is it?
Everything we do is recorded on body camera.
Yeah, but you guys pulled her out.
Are you guys gonna like help us out with the kid here? Is that your reason for being here? Or is it to argue with me?
Why did you gotta...
I'm just asking. I'm just asking, buddy.
You're asking, and I'm asking, why'd you take her out the car?
If you cannot afford her.
Ben!
If you cannot
Take my daughter, please!
We're gonna take.
No, we're not walking over there.
Get off of me!
Stop. You need to
No!
relax.
I'm trying to talk to him and you hurting me!
You're talking to a police right now.
I don't give a
You can decide at any time to exercise.
good for you! Miranda rights! Woo!
De-escalate. Can we de-escalate?
Come on, man.
Can we just
You guys
de-escalate?
handle that
Can I
shit,
just
don't
get the
worry.
baby? The baby's gonna be traumatized.
Well, yeah.
please.
Let's get
That's
permission from her,
traumatizing.
and then yes.
She
let
said
you
she
get
wants
her
me to
in
get her
there,
baby.
okay?
That's traumatizing. So
But we're not walking up there, guys. We're staying here.
With the baby in the car.
If you keep on the hold on.
Listen,
If you
It's
keep
just
walking,
traumatizing.
if you guys want to make the situation worse, then
I'm
we will
not.
get Department of Children and Families involved.
I'm not
okay,
trying
I'm not
to
going to
make
release
the
the child,
situation- But
and
you're
you guys are
traumatizing
getting
to
closer.
the child to
Right
leave her in
now,
the car right now with all of
she's
that.
doing that. We're trying to calm her down, but she won't listen.
I know, but you can. It's easy for you to just give me the child. It's
I
very
don't want to
easy.
do that. I want to move her away. And
Just like
She
that.
said you
Listen,
should give it.
she's not calm enough to ask that
I
right
want to
now.
move her
She's
away.
been
hang
telling
tight.
them.
I want to move her away, and then you guys can get the child.
Hey,
okay?
Kiara, you gotta tell them that I can take the baby.
take let me her!
I'll take the baby. Kiara, stop fighting them.
Take I need to make sure Ben, take please.
Stop, please.
Can they get the baby set? They can get the baby.
He's saying that I was speeding and I wasn't even speeding. No,
Get in the car.
no, I need you. I will get in if you let me go.
Trot. Don't grab her arm.
I want to get in if you let me go, please.
Go. Good. We're letting you.
Let go of me.
No, we're not letting go. We're letting you get in the car.
Where the am I gonna go?
Rod, grab this arm.
Relax for 2 seconds. We're going to wait for the county deputy, the female, to get here, and then we will put her in the car.
Yes, I would like a female because you guys are abusing your power.
Behaving like a toddler when you're a parent to some should definitely be a felony.
Are you a father? Are you a father?
Yes.
Okay.
I have 2 young
I
daughters.
am trying to get home because my daughter has no more diapers.
Okay.
That is all.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay.
So why am I being pulled over? Can you
explained to you.
please explain?
It was explained to you
No, it was not explained to me.
multiple times.
No, it was not.
Okay, this is the officer that pulled you over. Okay?
Because I asked him, I'm like, he pulled the lights, nor did I hear on the assignment or the speaker or whatever to pull over. I
That's
moved.
what the lights and sirens are for.
I did not know it was for me. There
I
was
was
another car
directly
next
behind
to me.
you. No, there wasn't.
Yes, there was.
No, there wasn't.
My husband was
You were
next to me.
going so fast, you were by yourself.
My husband was next to me. You're blowing this way out of proportion.
Okay, ma'am. Is there a reason you didn't pull over?
All I told him.
Is there a reason you didn't pull over?
I did not know it was for me.
Okay, so then once the officer approached your vehicle, how come you didn't give him your ID?
I told him what was the reason why I was pulled over. He did not want to tell me.
I told you for speeding.
No, you did not.
And you disagreed with it?
No, you did
Okay,
not.
so it's before you say anything else, it was audio and recorded. Audio and video recorded. You still want to stick by that?
And I told him, I'm like, my 2-year-old is in the car.
Okay.
He did not care that my 2-year-old was in the car.
I know this officer very well. He would care.
No, he did not.
Yes, he would.
No, you did
But
not.
ma'am, we have to, when we're doing
No,
a
you did
traffic
not.
stop, we have
When
to,
I asked
we
you,
have to do our job.
I said, okay, my 2-year-old is in the car. And then you just automatically just said, get out the vehicle.
After asking
Turn,
for
you said
Ma'am,
turn
so
the vehicle.
once you're-
I'm talking to him.
Okay.
Shush. You said turn the vehicle off, correct?
100%.
I turned the vehicle off.
Then I told you why I stopped you, and I asked you
Okay.
for your license, and you said no, and
But
I asked
I
for several
needed
times.
someone to take my daughter.
We weren't even at that. All you were going to get was a speeding ticket, and you blew it out of proportion to this. You
I
escalated
did
it
not.
to this. Yes, you did.
No,
That's
I
why
did
you're in
not.
the position you're at right now.
You are arresting me for what reason?
Resisting and battering
What
on
am
law
I?
enforcement
What am I resisting?
for failing
Because
to ID
my
yourself on a traffic
2-year-old.
stop and then punching me
Because
several
my
times.
2-year-old is in the car.
You still have
You
to
did
identify
not.
yourself.
Did you care about the safety and security of my 2-year-old? Yes or no?
Obviously, you didn't go in 30 over the speed limit.
I was not speeding. I literally told you I'm trying to get home because she had no more diapers. She's a 2-year-old. She is not potty trained yet. So you're really gonna fight me on that? And you think you're high and mighty? Why? Because you're a police officer?
What does that mean?
I
What does
have
that
my
mean?
bachelor's degree in criminal justice.
What does that mean?
I know how everything goes.
You're not making any sense.
How am I not making any sense? Please, let go of me.
No.
Where am I gonna run? Over the fence?
Ma'am, you've been flinging your arms everywhere. I really don't know. I really don't know.
Are you Spanish?
No, I'm not.
That's why.
I'm not
I
sure
speak.
what that,
I'm sorry.
I'm not sure what that has to
Hispanic.
do with anything.
Hispanic people speak with their hands, and because my hands are
Ma'am, if you're
detained.
in handcuffs, you cannot be flaring your arms around and battering an officer. You realize you punched Officer Nolan.
No, I did not.
Okay, well, it's on body camera.
You want me to? If I was to punch him, I'll knock him the out. Do you really want me to try me? Do you really want to try me? I'm a teacher. Okay, I teach 3rd grade.
Okay.
I have my 2-year-old in the car. I am just trying to get my 2-year-old home. Look at the time. I just came from a business event. And you're really trying to detain me. For what reason? I saw the alarms, but did you say pull over?
Ma'am, do you have a Florida driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so
I just moved here.
Okay, when you
I'm
get your
from New
driver's
York.
license, they teach you that you have to pull over when you see lights behind you.
Well,
and signs.
I was never told that.
Okay. Well, then I don't know how you got your driver's license then, because they teach you
Because
that.
I came from New York. It was just a transfer.
We don't know what New York she's lived in, but the law there does not require officers to yell or use their speakers specifically to enforce a stop.
I want the supervisor.
Okay, here's my supervisor here. Okay.
I would like to speak to the supervisor.
I am the supervisor. I'm Sergeant Ritter.
Hi, how are
yes, ma'am.
you?
Good.
Are you a father?
Yes.
How many kids do you have?
2.
And how would your kids like to see your?
Well, ma'am,
What
if we
you-
ask you to get
what-
out, ma'am, if we ask you to get out of the car and out of sight of your child,
Okay, he said it in a very nasty manner.
if
He
we
said,
ask you to get out,
turn off the vehicle and step out the car. I'm like,
we-
all right,
if we
give
ask
me
you
a
to get
minute.
out of the vehicle-
I'm trying to make a phone call to make sure that my arrangements
it
for my
doesn't
2-year-old.
work like that. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like that in Florida law. Okay, why do I smell alcohol in your breath?
I was smoking a vape.
Okay. Ma'am, thank you. This is the female officer.
Okay, ma'am, do not tense up or anything
I'm
like that. You're
not.
going to catch
I
another
don't
charge,
mind
okay?
her touching me, but please do not. You don't need to grab me so
do.
forcefully. Is my child out of the car?
Yes.
Yeah,
With
she's
your
the
family.
man over there. On the
Can
other
I-
side.
can
And
I
she's
please-
safely in her car seat.
Where the car was the car
She's
seat?
safely
We
in her
took the
car
car.
seat.
They took the
Okay,
car
who
seat.
has-
I just asked the man.
If it was installed properly, he said it was. He said he didn't need help.
Who-
Your daughter's fine.
Who has
Come on,
my
let's-
car
Ma'am,
keys?
it's Sergeant Ritter again, okay? If you get in the car, I will lower the window and I will allow her to come up and talk to you. Is that okay?
I have a 2-year-old.
Okay, and she has custody of her right now, okay? So if you want to talk to her, I will let the officer roll
You
down
guys-
the window
you-
once you have a seat in the car. Okay? Would you like that? Okay, I will do that for you.